For me, mountain biking is great because it offers me an opportunity to get a little bit of exercise and also get away from the city and clear my mind a little bit. Hey, my name is Ben Gobert. Today we are in Capitol State Forest and we are riding and crashing on the Little Larch Trail. Being located between the higher elevation, Cascade, and Olympic ranges, I don't think many people view Olympia as a mountain biking destination. But in reality, there are plenty of great areas to ride around here. There's something to be said about the adrenaline rush when you're going downhill and not really being able to think about anything else. There's also a certain aspect of progression that can be very satisfying, whether it's within your own physical fitness or within your ability to ride quicker and more efficient down these trails. But being able to track that in real time and having goals set for those things, the accomplishment that you feel from that is a great feeling. I have had that bike for 5 years now, and that is the hardest I've crashed by a long shot. What friends at Capitol Forest have managed to do out here and the volunteer organizations they've been able to gather and the trails that they've built are really cool, and it's a huge gift to the area.